Sure, the movie Dodgeball depicts the classic PE game as a bit rough.
Dodgeball is a sport of violence, exclusion, and degradation.
But in real life, is it really all that bad? Alabama seems to think so. The state's Department of Education has recently updated their list of, quote, inappropriate activities for PE in an official document that was first posted 2 years ago, saying that the activities have a high chance of embarrassment, violence, focus on elimination while being played, or that they, quote, overemphasize fun with no purpose or objective. Alongside Dodgeball, they also mentioned some other activities that you probably wouldn't imagine would make the list, including yoga, which is basically just stretching, and games like kickball, Red Rover, relay races, and even musical chairs, which according to AL.com in a now deleted portion of the document reads, a classic elimination game in which the least skilled and least attentive students are immediately eliminated, and then sent to improve their abilities by sitting on the floor, spinning mindlessly in circles and waiting 15 minutes for the winner, almost always the same person, to be determined. I don't know about you, but it sounds like whoever wrote this might just have a chip on their shoulder. The Alabama State Department of Education Superintendent confirmed to Newsweek he pulled the document offline and that it never received a formal endorsement. He says it's up to the local schools to decide which games to play.